Kung gusto nyo maging VA or mag-upskill at hindi pa kayo enrolled, bakit? Tuwan-tuwa ako dito kay Prey because she's actually one of our pioneers. She is the inspiration behind Top VIP because when she started, wala siyang experience. As in, zero. Because bagong graduate siya noon, engineering student. And the very first class she joined is yung ating Revamped Basic Work from Home Training. After that, kada release ng bagong klase, nagjo-join siya. Pagkatapos, when there was this conversation that we had, na sabi ko, bakit lahat ng classes nag-enroll ka? And then she said, di ba ma, sabi mo, learn and earn. So even if may client na siya, nag-aaral pa rin siya, nag-upskill siya, until we came up with the Top VIP All Access Pass na 1 year All Access Pass na sa lahat ng training. She's now traveling the world, operations manager na siya, and I'm very proud of this person because ang layo na nararating itong batang to. Anyway, if you guys wanna join the Top VIP All Access Pass, 1,999 lang siya. Para mag-join, just click the link in my bio. Pagkatapos may lalabas dito, i-click nyo lang yung GigHub. Sa GigHub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para matuto mag-work from home. But under live mentorship, kauna-unahan, 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass. I-click nyo lang yan, pagkatapos makikita nyo na yung form na kailangan nyo i-fill out. Automatic yan kapag nag-enroll kayo after ng onboarding, mag-start na kagad yung 1 year nyo. Makaka-attend na kayo sa lahat ng classes. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye!